Most speakers you see are just square boxes. I mean, they get the job done, but let's be honest, boxes aren't really that exciting. When I look around at nature, architecture, and even art, what stands out are the curves. Smooth, flowing, organic shapes. Today I want to show you why I think curves look better than boxes in speaker design and how I bring them to life with concrete and 3D printing. Welcome to Timber West Design, where creative ideas are built to bring beauty and purpose to your space. Boxes dominate speaker design because they're practical. Straight cuts, flat panels, easy to assemble in a factory. That's why you've seen them for decades. It's efficient mass production. But practicality does not equal beauty. A box doesn't inspire. It looks like a piece of equipment. Put one in a room and it blends in as a rectangle against other rectangles, the TV, cabinets, shelves. It disappears visually and not in a good way. Boxes are practical, but almost everyone has a box speaker. They get the job done, but they don't always grab your attention the way a curved sculptural speaker can. For me, that sameness feels limiting. I want my speakers to be more than just gear. I want them to feel like sculptures, objects that could stand proudly in a room even before you turn the music on. Curves change everything. They feel natural, balanced, like the smoothness of a river stone or the spiral of a seashell. Bring that into a speaker and it has presence. It feels alive, not just functional. Curves also look good from every angle. A box usually works head-on. A curved speaker pulls your eyes around the form. You want to walk around it, see it from different sides, even run your hand across it. It has movement, even while standing still. And curves are timeless. They're in nature, in cathedrals, in sculpture. They're what we've always found beautiful. I want to thank this week's sponsor, Pale Blue Batteries. You know, I like nice high-end flashlights, and you know what powers my flashlights? Pale Blue rechargeable batteries. What I like about them is I can take a power bank on the go. There's a USB-C port right on the battery. I can plug it in, charge on the go. Pale Blue batteries, they're awesome. So why don't we see more curves in speakers? Because they're harder to make with wood and plastic. But with 3D printing and concrete, curves are pretty easy. I design in CAD, print the mold, and pour. The concrete captures every detail. No bending panels, no fighting wood grain. The shape I imagine is the shape I get. For me, that's where the art comes in. Combining modern 3D printing with a timeless material like concrete to unlock forms that mass market speakers rarely touch. Let's compare a few styles. The box, it's functional, but kind of plain. The egg, smooth and modern, like pottery. The spiral, sculptural, almost gallery-worthy. The cylinder, a simple, elegant, and versatile shape. The quarter twist, something totally unique. The stealth speaker, hidden in a vase. The yin-yang speaker, a nice visual appeal. Each has personality, but curves feel more like art than machinery. If you had to choose, which one would you put in your living room or patio? Drop it in the comments, I'd really love to know. My inspiration usually comes from nature, stones, shells, waves, but also from architecture, bridges, arches, furniture. Anything with graceful lines makes me wonder, what if that shape could play music? That question is where most of my designs start. At the end of the day, boxes are pretty easy to make, but curves, that's where design turns into art. That's why I make mine from concrete and 3D printed molds. They're sculptures that happen to play music. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming up in the future. If you want to see my full builds, check out my other videos. If you want to download digital files and print your own, go to my website at timberwestdesign.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And always remember, creativity is just a 3D print away.